Guys, I don't know if you know this, but today's January 1st, a Thursday in the Big 26, bro. Do you know what this means for us? No more 6-7, no more Italian brain rot, no more John Porks, no more Rainbow Cat. Why? Because now we're in the Great Meme Reset. So you might be wondering if this is even gonna work. But I don't care as long as the iPad kids are gone from their iPads. For example, in 2026, it was planned because all the brain rot was getting out of hand, and we had to get rid of this stuff. I know, some of the kids, they're gonna love the 6-7, the Italian brain rot, Steeler brain rot, all that stuff, but this was all really, really necessary, bro. I know, and yeah, it's hard to believe the Big 25 was last year. Now, if you're still talking about brain rot, if you're still talking about 6-7, if you're still talking about sussy stuff, then you really need to get out of here. Anyways, yeah, it's 2026, January 1st. Happy New Year's, guys, man. Oh no, not that sound. I know, it's gonna be different, but don't worry, we're all gonna go through it together. No worries, guys. So, in 2026, we've got the World Cup, and bro, GTA 6 cancelled again. When? November 19, bro. Apparently something like a bug with the game, but nowadays they're just not gonna release it, yeah? It's just cooked. And yeah, that's it for 2025. Get ready for 2026. Subscribe and please make me famous.